y'all, welcome back to Stinkface Glam's channel, and guess what we got for you guys? Yes, that's right, another tutorial by yours truly. We're gonna start this off by making sure everything is nice and greasy. Yes, that's right, you want to make sure you're able to slide away on them. Wet floor signs, okay? Okay, so make sure you get a nice lather, double up if you have to like I've done, and make sure you get your forehead or five head, your nose, your cheeks, and please don't forget the neck. Respect the neck. Yes, girl, respect the neck. Okay, next we're gonna put some orange war paint right underneath our eyes like a football player. Yes, I should have just took 2 fingers and put it on each side of my face, but I'm classy and using a brush. And now I'm gonna rub it in nice circular motions like I'm cleaning my J's. Yes, just do nice circular motions, and please don't forget the other eye. Yes, now we look like an orange raccoon. That's lovely. And please get in the crevices of the nose. We're getting in every crevice. No one wants to be looking patchy out here. Okay, now we're gonna dab a little bit of this Squidward green on our nose and our eyes. Just dab, dab. And we're gonna spread it all out. Yeah, we're gonna spread it all out. I feel like Bob Ross right now, doing a nice, wonderful, calming green and orange painting. Okay, we're gonna put a little more gold on. Oh yes, that's it. Now we're gonna put gold on. We're gonna mix it all together now. Okay, yes, blend, baby, blend. Yes, okay. Now we're gonna blend it all around and make it all one nice color. We got Squidward green, we got Tropicana orange, and then we got gold. And now it brings you to my skin color here. Yes, girl. Yes, that's me. I did that. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to put another layer. Yes, we got to start this second layer of the 3-layer cake. Okay? And we're going to keep going down and keep putting this war paint. And then we're going to just put a little more of the same product on with a different brush. And then we're going to throw some powder on it. Bow. And then we're gonna just brush it all together and make sure it's all nice and lathered up. Okay, we got some thick lipstick that we're putting on our cheeks and around our lips. Yes, around and underneath our jawline. So make sure that everything's nice and shiny. Don't forget both sides of the nose. Both sides. And now we're gonna just blend it all out. This is probably the 3rd or 4th layer. My face is looking like layer cake. Yes, that's right. Ooh, 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 Now it looks like we're gonna thin out those thick, girthy lines that we just put on our face earlier, and we're gonna make sure it's nice and chiseled. Yes, looking like a Greek goddess. Ow. Oh, now we're moving on to the eyebrows. So with the eyebrows, you want to make sure you got a nice shape, and then you want to add some girth to it. You want to make sure these are nice, thick eyebrows. Make sure they're thick with 2 C's, girl. Okay. Now we're gonna work on our eyelids. We're gonna have 2-tone on each side. We're gonna go from blue to mauve. And then, oh, get this. And then we're just gonna mix those together to make a nice little ombre effect. Ooh, proud of myself. Look at that ombre. Make sure everything's blended in real nice and real well, so it looks like, you know, an ombre eye. Yeah, you know, I outdo myself sometimes. Make sure you get those lashes. Make sure you get them. Make sure you plump them up for the extra volume. Yes. Curl them all the way out. Okay, and it looks like we're gonna level a lash on top of our lashes. Extendo. Gra gra. Okay, we're gonna add a little bit of sheen. Is that what this is? It looks like some sheen. Because whenever you dab it on, you know, it gets you a little bit of shine. You know, so we're just gonna call that the sheen. You know, put it all, you know, it's dab, 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 dab. And you know, now it just looks like the sun's glistening on you. And it's a rainy day outside. Look at that. We're gonna outline our lips. It's just like when you was coloring a book. You line it, you color, and then you add some gloss on it. Then we're gonna apply some lipstick. Right? I know that's right. I know I got that right. We're going to apply some lipstick. And then we're going to put some gloss on it. Yes, we're going to triple layer our face. We're going to triple layer our lips. And then you put some setting spray. And wafting, wafting, wafting. Yes. Look who done slayed. Look who done slayed. Stink face to face layer. Ow. So make sure that you subscribe and comment and like and do all that. And if you don't, I will haunt you forever. Okay, bye. I'm about